Number 3, consonant vibration. You have no fear of what the future may bring, for you believe that only what is good and right will come to you. Therefore, any unhappiness that befalls you can be endured with the understanding that it will pass and be replaced by better events. Positive thinking is your motto, and you live it to the hilt. Your belief in the future and all things right makes you understand that whatever may happen, your true destiny was foreordained, and nothing can change this. You cannot abide people who are constantly complaining of bad luck or who rely on lucky talismans for good things in life. To you, this is unnecessary because no talisman can change circumstances, and to believe that is the only luck one needs. Your drive for perfection includes your manner of dress and all your environs. You are not demanding in an offensive way and would more than likely be very charming when asked for something to be done the way you like it, rather than be cold and obvious. You feel self-expression is most important in your life and would not hesitate to express your every desire, mood, or approval of anything. When you are happy, the whole world knows it, and it is benefited by your mood. Words and the tone in which they are spoken are, in your opinion, the measure of a person. You would be very cautious in choosing just the right thing to say on every occasion. You believe words and tones signify a level of culture. The literary arts and those associated with the arts are a source of great pleasure for you. The number 3 is also the number of great personality. Because of the self-expression inherent in you, a vibrant personality comes quite naturally to the fore without any effort on your part. People are regenerated when you're in your company and prefer you to any other guests. Always charming and affable, not to mention intelligent, a party usually revolves around you. Negatively, you may follow the path of weakness, giving in whenever there is an argument or disagreement because you haven't the faith in yourself necessary to defend your rights or opinions. Self-pity could so invoke you that you do nothing but feel sorry for yourself and the bad luck that you have had in life. You may feel it is just too much trouble to try to correct what is wrong and see the lighter side of things. Nothing is that bad, so this negativity must not be indulged. Your positive vibration brings you the happiness and contentment you desire and should be paramount at all times.